Hi, this is Steve from Signature Garden Services, quoting Alicia Barilla at 38 Marwarra Drive, Parreara, for a garden bed installation, veggie garden installation. So everything that's discussed in this video is included in the quote. So we'll start by saying that we're going to create a garden bed which is 600 in total, including the timber that way. And then this way up to a maximum of 3.1, but we'll probably just clean it up, and maybe that post there would be where it's going to end. The timber that we are going to use, it's ACQ. You can't just use regular treated pine because it has arsenic in it. So yeah, need to use the good stuff, so that you can grow your veggies with confidence. And yeah, the garden bed will be 4 sleepers high. Each sleeper is 200 mil tall, so you're looking at 800 total height. We will need to sink it into the ground very slightly, but more or less 800 is a good height to be working for your veggies, and or for your back, I should say. And yeah, so over there you can see we'll get rid of the remainings of that, so that the veggie garden can rest up against the fence. We'll put it back to the fence as good as we can to conserve on space. If that's what you want, and bring it out a bit on the day, all fine and all doable. Yeah, so we're going to use this soil over here and transport that once the frame is constructed, and that will fill up I don't know, about maybe I think it was about a third of the garden bed. And then we'll bring in some premium garden soil and put that up the top, where all the veggies are going to love it. And we can educate you on how to plant within that, and boost further with a in-ground compost for your plants, which has got wetting agents, zeolite, introduces microbes into the soil. Really good stuff. Plants go nuts on it. And yeah, up to you to sugarcane mulch or whatever aesthetic garden mulch you want to put into the top to finish. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, Steve from Signature Garden Services. If you haven't done so already, check out my reviews on Google. We always strive to do quality work, and this job would be no exception. Cheers.